Hello, and welcome to our channel. Today I'm here to talk about something very close to my heart, something that drives me every day, the amazing opportunities that AI gives us to live richer, more meaningful lives. When I was just 15 years old, I stumbled upon an idea that changed everything. An idea that led me to drop out of college, sell all my possessions, and dedicate my life to one thing: building AI for good. See, from the moment I learned about artificial intelligence, I knew it wasn't just about technology. It was about potential. The potential to automate the mundane, to analyze the complex, and to manage the minute details of our lives so that we can focus on what truly matters. But let's face it, life can get pretty hectic, right? Deadlines, responsibilities, endless to-do lists. Time seems to slip through our fingers like sand, leaving us stressed and longing for a simpler time. What if technology could change that? What if it could give us back the most precious gift of all, time? Fast forward to today, we've created something truly special at Future AI Tools Hub, a platform that puts the power of AI in the palm of your hand. With Future AI Tools Hub, you have a personal AI assistant that learns your preferences, manages your schedule, and helps you accomplish tasks with just a few clicks. It's like having a digital best friend who's always there to lend a helping hand or a listening ear. But that's just the beginning. Our AI-powered tools go beyond personal assistance. They help you unleash your creativity, connect with others in deeper ways, and explore new possibilities. Imagine having a creative partner that sparks new ideas, helps you brainstorm, and turns your visions into reality. That's what Future AI Tools Hub is all about. So how does it work? Well, our secret sauce is natural language processing. It's like teaching machines to understand and communicate in a way that feels natural to us humans. With NLP, our AI models can comprehend the nuances of human language, providing more accurate and relevant responses. It's like having a conversation with a friend, except this friend happens to be a highly advanced piece of technology. But what sets us apart from the rest? What makes Future AI Tools Hub the go-to destination for AI enthusiasts and tech-savvy individuals alike? Simple. Our commitment to pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI. We're constantly experimenting with new models, exploring uncharted territories, and bringing the latest advancements to our users. It's this drive for innovation that keeps us at the forefront of the AI revolution. At Future AI Tools Hub, we believe that AI is not about replacing us. It's about amplifying us. It's about giving us the freedom to be more human, to dream bigger, and to live better. It's about harnessing the power of technology to create a future that works for everyone. So what are you waiting for? Join the Future AI Tools Hub community today and experience the AI-powered future that awaits. Whether you're a writer seeking inspiration, a professional needing assistance, or simply someone looking to explore the endless possibilities of AI, we've got you covered. And as always, if you're part of the journey, we'll make sure to keep you in the loop with all the exciting updates and developments. Together, we'll shape the future of AI and unlock a world of endless potential. Thank you for being a part of our story and for coming together to build a future where AI empowers us all. Let's continue to push the boundaries, break the barriers, and redefine what's possible. If you're ready to join the movement, show your support. Let's embark on this incredible adventure and create a future that reflects our shared vision. Thank you, and I look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay curious, stay creative, and stay tuned to the Future AI Tools Hub channel.